Best high-speed audio cables ensure crystal clear sound, minimal signal loss, enhanced durability, and reliable performance for immersive listening experiences. My today's video is about top 5 best high-speed audio cables for perfect sound that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Hiwings 8K, 10K, 4K HDMI cable. The Hiwings 8K Ultra High-Speed HDMI cable is built for users who demand absolute performance for modern entertainment systems. Supporting true 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, it delivers razor-sharp visuals with exceptional clarity, ensuring every frame appears smooth and detailed. With an impressive 48 gigabit per second bandwidth, signal transmission remains stable and lag-free, eliminating dropped frames during high-resolution streaming or intense gaming sessions. Backward compatibility with HDMI 2.0b divided by 2.0 divided by 1.4 and earlier versions makes it versatile for both new and older devices. For gamers, the cable truly shines. Its support for variable refresh rate, VRR, enhances gameplay fluidity, allowing graphics cards and CPUs to perform at their best without screen tearing. Durability is equally impressive. Reinforced anti-bending connectors and military-grade braided nylon ensure long-term resilience against daily wear. Rigorously lab-tested for reliability, this cable combines cutting-edge technology with premium construction, making it an excellent choice for home theaters, next-gen consoles, and high-performance PCs. Now our second product is Amazon Basics HDMI cable. This 6-foot HDMI male-to-male cable is a dependable solution for connecting everyday entertainment devices with consistent, high-quality performance. It easily links Blu-ray players, streaming devices like Amazon Fire TV and Apple TV, as well as gaming consoles such as PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and more to TVs, displays, or A/V receivers. Supporting 4K resolution at 60 Hz, 2160p, with 48-bit color depth and bandwidth up to 18 gigabits per second, it delivers crisp visuals, smooth motion, and rich audio. Added features like Ethernet support, 3D capability, and audio return channel, ARC, enhance convenience by reducing cable clutter and simplifying setup. Backward compatibility ensures it works seamlessly with older HDMI standards, making it versatile for mixed device environments. While it supports up to 4K at 60 Hz, it's ideal for most home theater and console setups, providing reliable performance without signal drops or connectivity issues. Our third product is SyncWire 3.5mm nylon braided AUX cable. The SyncWire 3.5mm nylon braided AUX cable is a reliable, high-performance solution for everyday audio needs. Designed for universal compatibility, it works seamlessly with devices featuring a standard 3.5mm port, including Apple iPhone, iPad, laptops, car stereos, speakers, and headphones. Note, it may not fit bulky cases like LifeProof or OtterBox. Sound quality is where this cable truly stands out. Its polished 24K gold-plated connectors and double shielding minimize signal loss and interference, delivering crisp, stereo audio with impressive clarity and balance. Whether streaming music in your car or connecting to a hi-fi system, the output remains clean and consistent. Durability is another major highlight. With a tested 15,000+ band lifespan and a flexible nylon-braided exterior, the cable resists tangling, kinks, and everyday wear. The included cable organizer makes storage simple and mess-free. Backed by a 3-year warranty and responsive customer service, it offers excellent long-term value. Now number 4, Uinton USB-C to HDMI cable 6 feet. The Uinton USB-C to HDMI cable is an essential tool for anyone looking to seamlessly connect their USB-C devices to an HDMI display. Supporting up to 4K at 30 Hz, it delivers stunning Ultra HD visuals, making movies, games, and presentations crisp and immersive. Unlike wireless solutions, this direct connection ensures zero lag, no flicker, and stable projection, perfect for live streaming or important gaming moments. Note: 4K at 60 Hz is not supported. Compatible with Android phones and iPhone 15-16 series with video out. Built for durability, the cable features 24K gold-plated connectors, multi-layer copper shielding, and a flexible nylon-braided exterior, offering excellent strain relief and preventing kinks or wear. The aluminum housing enhances heat dissipation and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance. Thunderbolt 3/4 and DP Alt mode compatibility expand support across a wide range of devices, including MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, Surface, Dell XPS, and flagship smartphones. Backed by a 24-month warranty and responsive 24/7 support, it guarantees reliable, worry-free use. And our last choice is Ublooker 10K, 8K, 4K HDMI cable. The certified HDMI cable delivers unparalleled performance for the most demanding digital setups. Officially HDMI certified, it meets the HDMI Forum's strict standards, ensuring reliability, minimal latency, 0.01 milliseconds, and low EMI interference. With a massive 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it fully supports cutting-edge features such as ALLM, VRR, QMS, QFD, Dynamic HDR, HDR10+, CEC, and HDCP 2.2 and 2.3, making it future-proof for gaming, streaming, and professional use. Resolution support is remarkable. From 10K at 60 Hz, 12-bit, and 8K at 60 Hz, 4:4:412-bit, to 4K at 240 Hz and 1080p at 360 Hz. It guarantees smooth visuals and vibrant deep color for any display. High bitrate audio formats like eARC, ARC, DTS Master, DTS, X, Dolby True HD, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos are fully supported, delivering immersive cinematic sound. Compatibility is extensive, covering gaming PCs, FreeSync/GSYNC monitors, GeForce RTX 30 and 40 series GPUs, consoles like PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, Apple TV+, laptops, projectors, and streaming devices including Roku TV and Fire TV. This cable is a complete solution for premium audiovisual experiences. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.